Hi, my name is David Minkoff. I'm a medical doctor in Clearwater, Florida. We have a wellness center here that's called LifeWorks Wellness Center. One of our best therapies and the most demanded from our patients is the Hocatt. It's an ozone sauna that does a bunch of things all at the same time that is terrific for sick people and for athletes and for people who just want to feel better. So you get in a sauna with steam, and we can dial up how hot or how not hot. Some people like real hot so that they sweat, and some people like it cooler. We can dial that in or out. Once you get in the sauna and the steam starts, your head is actually out, so it's just in your body. The first thing that happens is carbonic acid gas, CO2, comes into the sauna. Now when CO2 hits your body, it dilates up the blood vessels in your skin, so they open. It opens your pores. And when your pores open, toxins can come out easier, and then when we add ozone, the oxygen gas can get in your system better and give you a full treatment. So that is very unique, and I don't know of anybody else that's got that kind of device on theirs. Once you're in the carbon dioxide gas finishes, then ozone starts, and we can dilate up how much ozone. When we start people, we start them low. For experienced people, we can give them 100% ozone gas. So they're in there with ozone, which is oxygen. Now ozone is very good for the skin. It purifies the skin. The other thing it does, though, is it gets into the body. It will kill funguses and bacteria and viruses and parasites and give you a systemic treatment. So it's anti-things, except it's not anti your body, because our bodies have a mechanism so that the ozone doesn't hurt our cells, but the bacteria and the parasites and the funguses don't have that mechanism, and it kills them. The other thing that it does is when ozone goes into our cells, it actually rehabilitates their ability to make energy so that they can make energy better. And we find that especially with athletes, performance athletes, they come in and do this treatment, their performances get better. Their body is better able to utilize oxygen and to ride faster, swim faster, bike faster, whatever their activity is. So that's all good. Now in addition, there's a couple other things that we do with the treatment, and we call it EWAT. It's oxygen with exercise therapy. So while you're in the device, we put on oxygen, 100% oxygen, run it at 10 liters, so your body's getting bathed with oxygen while it's actually kind of exercising, because with the heat, your heart speeds up. So this also reprograms your cells to use energy better. Now the ozone, in addition to all this stuff, is that there is infrared and ultraviolet therapy going on at the same time, which if you've ever experienced this, it's very relaxing. It helps with pain, it helps with inflammation, and it reduces these things in the body. And then there's one final thing that's added to this, which is a microcurrent therapy. It's like a frequency-specific microcurrent. And so there are little handles and foot pads, and we can dial in for the patient's problem. So if it's low energy, if it's fatigue, if it's Lyme disease, if it's some other kind of infection, if it's cancer, we can dial in a frequency-specific microcurrent that will help their cells to heal better with what's going on. So all this happens in a half an hour. The patients love it. I love it because I can stick someone in a therapy and have a lot of stuff done with really good results. And we do it, say, 3 times a week after, say, 10, 12 treatments. Virtually everybody loves it. They feel better, they do better, and they actually want to come back for refreshers every couple of weeks to 1 month because they like the experience and it really makes their body feel better. So that's Hocatt. Think about it. If you don't have one, get one. If there's one near you and you haven't tried it, I would try it, because our staff fight over who can go in it at night after hours because they like it too. Okay? Hope this helps.